Hey kids, JD here. If your Facebook feed is anything like mine, seems like the last few months there's been an advertising campaign for these mixed drinks from varying liquor manufacturers. Could be tequila, could be whiskey, could be whatever. Now, I wanted to try a few recipes from Crown Royal. However, being a drinker means you kind of sometimes understand that it's the end of the month, you don't get paid for a few days, and you might not have the good stuff. Why not instead use the $6 bottle that you just happen to have around the house? So we're going to try the same recipes, cheap whiskey, see what happens. But before we do, down there is the subscribe button. Go hit that right now. 1.5 ounces of whiskey, 4 ounces of cola. Doesn't have to be Coke. For reference, I'm using Mexican Coke because it has real sugar instead of corn syrup. And a slice of lime. That's it. Let's see what happens. All right, I did add just a little bit of crushed ice in here just to make it a little chilly without going over the top. So, this is what they have been spamming your Facebook feed with. Let's see how it is. Not really my favorite. Let's crush the lime in there and see if that does anything. Stand by. Okay, lime's in there. Let's see if that improves it any. Nothing good, nothing bad. This is apparently a mixed drink so special that they had to keep putting this in your feeds. So, what can I say? This is nothing but sheer magic. But let's not stop there. There's one more. You're going to love it. Okay, the second one is 1 pint of a lager or a pilsner and 1.5 ounces of whiskey. Now, I don't have a full pint because they didn't sell a full pint. So we'll just convert it down. In this case, it'll be just a little over 1 ounce. So here we go. Let's make it. By the way, this is a magic trick that Lady A cannot do. And the top is gone. Poof. Magic. Today we're drinking Grolsch. It's a lager from Holland. So Dutch lager and Canadian whiskey. Mixing alcohols. We've already proved this is not the best idea. We're going to try it anyway. Here goes. Surprisingly decent. I thought the whiskey was going to crap things up like it did with the Coke. But actually this is entirely drinkable. And I imagine that if you rich people with your money and your expensive drinks can afford it, then it might even be a little better. But yeah, I can drink this. Although, truth be told, I'd rather just drink the lager. I'm not a big fan of whiskey anyway. But you know what I am a big fan of? You. Hitting that subscribe button. Using social media. Get in contact with me. Don't be afraid to hit that bell to be notified when more videos are coming out. Also, don't be afraid to leave comments below. I answer every one of them. Even so, even if I disable comments, I responded to you, didn't I? True. Alright, that's it. JD, out.